This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Chaplin Williams Realty property video is presented by Cassandra Brown. Come see this well-maintained home in Harbor Concourse. No CDD fees. Camden II with bonus floor plan features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Gourmet kitchen with 30 inches cooktop, microwave/oven combo, and dishwasher. 42 inches white kitchen cabinets with crown molding, granite countertops, large island with bead board, and backsplash. Pantry upgraded with built-in shelving. Tile flooring throughout main living areas and crown molding, tile in bathrooms with carpet in the bedrooms, and upgraded lighting fixtures. At the front of the home you'll find 2 bedrooms which share a bathroom. Master on first floor with walk-in shower and separate garden tub along with ample closet space. Upstairs bonus room/4th bedroom with full bathroom. Sliding glass doors off the living room leads out to a covered screened lanai. Beautiful landscaped yard which is completely fenced in. Close to shopping, restaurants, and I-95. Short drive to the beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Cassandra Brown at 254-383-4128.